Hey, Mark the Meerkat, Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade on this election day, November the 6th, 2012. Well, this is the trade that we had this morning in the Grok room on VVUS, good old pharmaceutical company. And this was it in pre-market, running down here. This little blue line here represents opening at 9:30. As soon as it opened, it pulled up, hit the 20 period moving average, and then started to fall again. This is on my interactive brokers chart, actually traded right off of this chart this morning. So let's see what happened next. Bam, look at that, it fell, and I'm now short at $13.16 short VVUS. So let's pull this trade up, so that we can see what happens after that. As you can see, it fell and then came up and then fell hard. We'll continue on here. And then bam, now it's forming another bear pullback here, just like the one that I got in. And it's up to that 8 EMA. Look at that beautiful formation. 8 EMA, and then started to drop again. Some people in the room who had missed the first entrance got in at that point. Let's see what happened next. Bam, down to 1250, and then bam, fell below that. Let's pull this up here. And then it came all the way down here to 1210, and then pulled back up to where? The 8 EMA again, and this time at the 1240 level. Started to roll over, and by the way, my stop now is pulled down here just above the 20 period moving average to 1260. Again, I am short from 1318. Next we have, yeah, look at that bear pullback just barely, and now it's catching up with this 20 period moving average, but still the 8 is holding. And then bam, look at that new low of day below 1210. I gotta squeeze this a little tighter now so that we can actually get this whole trade in the screen. Let's go from there. Okay, here we go. And bam, look at that. Oh, and then it pulled up sharply up above that 12. So this 12 is possible support because it is a whole number, and it typically can be support or resistance, and it's just hanging on that number. So right here I decided to take out half at 1198 for 9.1%. Let's see what happened after that. It did pop above there. I did not get stopped out here. Just about did on the second half. Back down to the $12 mark. I decided to get out the second half also at 1198. So the total trade was from short from here, half out here, and the other half out at the same place for 9.1% in 43 minutes. Wow. And then what happened after that? It did proceed to fall down here another percent, so I could have had a 10% trade out of it, but that's okay. We traded it again for another 5% on 2 trades after this. Well, these are the kind of trades that we're doing in the Grok room. In fact, this was just one of 12 called trades today, in which we had a net on all called trades of 19.25%. Wow, another exceptional day. If you'd like to trade with us, you can. 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to the chat room page, and down below you can sign up for that 30-day free trial. Well, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember to cut your losers short and let your winners run.